Oh my god. Now this is going to be fun. Hey guys, Vimal here. Welcome back to my channel. So till now you might have seen variety of gaming chair videos, right? But what I'm about to show you in this video is gonna blow your mind. This is the very first gaming sofa in India. You might be like, what? Now I am also like as surprised as you people. Thing is, gaming furniture, gaming sofas used to already exist in the international market since quite many years. But now they're finally landing in the Indian market also, guys. And this particular one is made by this brand called as Cougar. Now I'm not sure how many of you people know, but Cougar is a very popular and big brand in the international markets, and they finally decided to bring these sort of exclusive stuff to the Indian market also. Cougar has like many different gaming sofas, so many variants are there. Today I got my hands on the Ranger Elite gaming sofa, and I'm telling you, right, these sort of sofas are made for like maximum comfort with premium sort of materials and luxury materials. So I'm like super excited to unbox and actually show you how the product looks like. So thing is, I've already unboxed the whole sofa and been using it for almost 2 weeks on a day-to-day basis. In fact, the sofa is right over there. Anyways, I'm gonna give you like a quick overview on the unboxing clips and talk about what we actually got in the package. Let's get started. So our brand new gaming sofa came in this sort of packaging. It's a big box and there was no way I could do the unboxing alone, so called in my dad for some help. On the front you got the Cougar branding, mentions the model of the sofa as well, and let me tell you, this particular model is available in like multiple color options and comes with different choice of fabric upholstery material. Today I actually got my hands on 2 different color variants, and I'll definitely show you both the models side by side and even talk about the subtle differences you can expect. Anyways, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. I'll be honest with you guys, the installation and assembly of this gaming sofa is so simple, right? Hardly takes around like 5 minutes only. In fact, it is even much easier than assembling a gaming chair. So there you go. As soon as you open it, our sofa came nicely packed like this. It is very well compressed and actually comes like a 2-piece assembly. And along with the sofa, you also get a packet of accessories, which basically includes like the bottom stands, the base stands for the sofa, and some washers, and not to miss out, a user manual as well. The manual has all the step-by-step instructions and details, guys. Just make sure to read it for all the details. So let's get started with the assembling part. First thing you'll need to do is install these bottom stands for the sofa. Just place the washer over here and start tightening the stand, guys. That's it. There is nothing else. No tools, nothing required. The lower half section comes all assembled and there is nothing else you need to do. So the other half is basically your backrest and the whole cushioning part. Remove the packaging and here's how it looks like. All you need to do is take this backrest and insert it on the metal frame construction of the lower half section and push it firmly until you hear a click sound. Super simple, right? So that's it, boys. We're done with the whole installation and assembly, and this is how our brand new gaming sofa from Cougar looks like. And let me tell you, I don't have one but 2 different model options from the Ranger Elite series. At the beginning only I've told you, right, these gaming sofas are available in like 5 different color options and also come with like different sort of fabric upholstery material. The one I'm sitting on is the OG model called as the Ranger Elite and comes in this beautiful black and orange sort of color accents. You know, Cougar's signature color scheme. And the other one we have over here is called as the Ranger Elite Jet Grey Edition. Both the gaming sofas are same model, guys, nearly identical. Only difference comes in the fabric material they've used. So on the Ranger Elite, right, you get PVC leather. This whole fabric upholstery on the cushioning, you're getting PVC leather material. Whereas on the Jet Grey Edition, you're getting like leather-like fabric material. So it's totally up to you and your choice. Depending on your personal taste, you can actually go for this or that. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the sofa and start off with the whole design and build quality part. So initial impressions, guys, beautiful looking gaming sofa, and let me tell you, this is actually a compact recliner sofa. So generally the regular reclining sofas that a lot of people buy for like home interiors, right, they're quite big in size, guys, and not everybody has that kind of space to occupy a recliner at their living room. In that scenario, you can actually go for this because the Cougar Ranger Elite is very compact and at the same time offers like great comfort, guys, all thanks to its German technology. Starting off from the top side, you're getting a Cougar logo on the headrest, and that is pretty much it, guys. Very simple, minimal and elegant is what I can say. Look at the quality of stitching on the cushioning over here, guys. The whole padding, the material used on the inside, and even the fabric upholstery, everything feels quite premium and luxury. Have a look at the armrest. The armrest have a beautiful looking design. If I actually give you like a closer look, right, the armrest have this 3D sort of carbon fiber finishing, gives a rich and premium looking feel. The stitching quality is also top notch. As I've told you, no loose thread ends anywhere, nothing like that. Quite satisfying satisfactory for the price point. On both the sides of the chair you have the Cougar branding, and just below that, if you're wondering what this whole design and element is, well, the gaming sofas actually have like side pockets for storage. Now that is quite innovative, guys. I've never seen any gaming chair or even your regular sofas come with like side pockets for storage. So let me give you an example and talk about that. So whenever you're sitting in your reclining sofa and maybe you're watching a cinema, and for your home theater, a lot of people usually have like multiple remotes, right? One for an AV receiver, one for your TV and something like that. You can easily place all your remotes or any sort of accessories in the side storage pockets, guys. Great and super convenient is what I can say. Not only that, maybe you're doing some office related work and you have maybe like a tablet or a laptop and you want to keep it in the sofa, right? You can easily accommodate that also in this pocket. Nothing to worry about. And talking about the build quality of these sofas is also nice. On the inside you're getting like full on steel frame construction, and at the top side I've already told you, right, you're getting premium quality materials used. Different models have like different fabric upholstery. The one I'm sitting on has like PVC leather material, whereas the other jet gray edition comes with leather like fabric material. Now if you'd ask my personal opinion, I love both the color options, guys. I mean, the black with orange OG accents definitely gives you that gaming sort of vibe. Maybe if you have like a gaming room with a dedicated gaming computer, this would go very well over there. But maybe if you're planning to use a gaming sofa in your living room, maybe you wanted to blend with the whole environment, your whole living room space, right? You can actually go for these sort of color options. You're getting like blue color option is there, the jet gray edition is available and blends in well, and you can use it for both gaming purpose and regular living room purpose also, guys. So gets your job done. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the adjustability, right? These Ranger Elite gaming sofas are fully adjustable. In fact, they also have like up to 160-degree reclining feature. Usually on most of the other reclining sofas, you usually have like a lever on the right side using which you can access the recline option. But here there is no lever, guys. They've actually simplified and made it much more convenient. All you need to do is, sit back nicely, relax on the backrest and push it slightly backwards, and that's it. This is how you can access the reclining feature. So in the usual position, you're getting like a 95-degree focused position. Maybe you're watching some sort of movie or you're checking out some sort of game streams. You can use it in this position. Now, if you want to access the reclining feature, as I've told you, simply push on the backrest and get into a relaxed position, and that's it. As simple as that. From 95 degrees you'll get up to like 135 degrees in a very comfortable and relaxing position. This is great if you want to do gaming maybe on your PS5 or maybe on your TV also for longer sessions, guys. It gives you a very comfortable and relaxed position. In fact, the whole position of the arms and even the cushioning, the padding on the backrest, the headrest, everything is like super comfortable, guys. Great experience is what I can say. And let me tell you, this is not the only angle that you can recline. You can even go further up to 160 degrees. Maybe after like a long session of gaming, you feel like tired, you want like a quick power nap or something like that, you can even go further like this. Simply push it back like this, and now you can go up to like 160-degree position. I'm telling you, right, it feels super comfortable. Oh boy, I think I can take a quick nap here and now itself. Let me just get back to my regular position. Anyways, keeping that aside, let's actually come to the main part and talk about the whole comfort and day-to-day sort of experience. I've already told you, right, I've been using Cougar's Ranger Elite gaming sofa for more than 2 weeks at my place, and the whole experience was quite nice, guys. Very comfortable experience is what I can say. Nowhere on any sort of gaming chair you'll find this thick and heavy cushioning. Not only on the bottom seat, but even on the backrest and headrest also you're getting plush cushioning, guys. So that gives you a very comfortable experience when you sit on it. First of all, let me tell you about the whole weight support capacity. So Cougar on their website have mentioned that this gaming chair can easily support weights of up to 135 kg. So even if you're like a heavy personality guy with over 6 feet height, right, nothing to worry about. The sofa offers you like a comfortable experience with ample amount of cushioning and support for your back and also headrest. In fact, the seat width is nearly 19.5 inches, guys. That is almost like 50 centimeters width. So not only me, any of my family member could easily sit in this sofa and enjoy this whole comfort experience. Not only on the bottom seat, but even the armrests are also like quite comfortable. Right amount of size is what I can say. Though I felt, armrest could have been slightly more cushiony or puffier, but okay, this is like a compact sort of gaming sofa, right? Gets your job done. The only thing if I had to mention, right, since on the OG model you're getting like black PVC leather material, dust on it is like quite easily visible. So you'll have to do a bit of more maintenance over here. Maybe keep cleaning it every 2 to 3 days to keep it looking neat and tidy. But that is not the issue over here, guys. On the Jet Grey edition, dust is not that easily visible, so maintenance is a bit less. Well, that is pretty much it, boys. Time to wrap it up. Very first video on gaming sofas in India from Cougar. So what do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Would you go for like your regular gaming chairs, or would you actually try out these sort of gaming sofas? I'd love to know your thoughts. And coming to the pricing details, both the variants are available at a similar price point, guys. I think they're roughly costing around like 16 or 17,000 rupees. I'll try to leave links for them in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that's it. I'll see you all in my next one.